What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to know if you've finally become a great occupational therapist, how to know if you've mastered and the real answer is you never really know. I feel like you're constantly going forward and just trying to figure things out. I've been working as an occupational therapist for 10 years. I'm still figuring things out, and I can say that my coworkers, my manager would definitely show you like some things that I could improve on and work on. I definitely have grown over the years. I feel like just starting out as an occupational therapist, there's just a lot of things that I didn't know at first. And I feel like the first 6 months was just a really sharp learning curve to kind of help me to really understand like what I should be doing, what I shouldn't be doing, how to be to do better treatments with my patients. Everyone's circumstance is going to be different, and it's just really going to improve over time. I remember just feeling kind of lost in like, am I doing this right? And when I was starting out as an OT, I would say probably the first few years I was like, okay, I'm just kind of winging it as I was going. And still kind of feel like, in a sense, I'm still kind of winging it. I feel like I have a way of doing things that I'm comfortable with, and I feel like I'm probably better about answering some of my patients' questions and caregivers' questions and things like that. I feel like I can give a lot better responses, but in some aspects, I feel like I'm still kind of winging it a little bit. Well, I did hand therapy for a good amount of time. And after seeing the same type of patients over and over and over again, I felt like it was just really comfortable with those diagnoses. And I know there's some ways that I could have still improve upon that. But I feel like you're always just going to be kind of floating and trying to figure out the best way to get through things. And I think the best thing to kind of keep in mind is to not stress about it. Don't get too worked up about it. Just realize that a lot of other people are in the same situation as you. And I feel like everyone in the medical field, in some way, is just trying to um, find out what works for them. And I talk to a lot of doctors who talk to patients, and I can tell when they're talking to the patient that they're just trying to satisfy the patient. And in a similar sense, like, we're doing the same thing. But I feel like the more that we're like, empathetic, and being really good listeners, that's where we can really shine in our careers. And I wouldn't say that I'm the best at doing this, but I think that it is important to do to be a better therapist. That's what I would say. Like, if you want to master being a good occupational therapist, if you want to master being a good doctor, physical therapist, anyone in healthcare, or any other job really, is just learning how to be kind, be a good listener, and just finding other ways to brighten others' days. So that, in a nutshell, is my definition of how to make it a little bit better. I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next one. I hope you have a great day. Thanks.